We're holding it with our middle finger and our ring finger. Our coils are held by our whole hand. And we have our coils set up in a way that whenever we throw, watch my left hand here. Whenever I let go, you see how all the coils are able to come out of my hand? From there, I would simply pull back to my hip and come around my horn, thumbs up. Whenever we're recoiling, it's as simple as pull back as far as your arm reaches, twist your rope, pull back as far as your arm reaches, twist your rope, and you're gonna make a nice small coil like that. And that's gonna be the easiest way for you guys to be able to manage this at home and starting to get some practice in.